Hello, Felicia here over at FELICIASTREETER.com. Welcome to today's video. And actually, today's video is actually over on my blog, so you can definitely check it out over there if you prefer to read. And today's topic we're talking about is tools and strategies to help with tax time. So I think that's right in time. We're at the beginning of the year. Everybody is trying to get their taxes done for one, and before you can do that, you got to compile all of your information. So I think this is a great time for this topic, and I felt that I should share this information with you guys. So here's the thing: if you're feeling overwhelmed, it's tax time, you're anticipating that refund, you're excited about that, but you're feeling a little overwhelmed with the entire process of everything that you need to do, or maybe you're not going to get a refund, but you still feel overwhelmed with the process of compiling the information, not knowing what to compile, right? Not knowing all of the different things that you need to do to prepare for tax time, especially if this is your first time having to file business taxes. So what I did is I compiled actually a list of some things I wanted to share with you guys that I thought might be helpful as you're preparing for tax time. So it may feel a little daunting for you. I get that, right? It's like some people are actually afraid of, the IRS tax time. And in other countries, it's even worse. But this information that I'm sharing works across the board because it's just general information about what you need to do to prepare for tax time, okay? So preparation is key. Hear me on that. And I'm getting ready to share with you some tools and some strategies that will make the process a little less painful for you, okay? So the first thing you need to do is compile, right? I want you to gather up all your financial documents. You can use file folders, right, for your documents, for your receipts. You can use envelopes, really, really great. You can compile those receipts in an envelope by month. And then you can have file folders by month with the receipts and documents inside the file folder. So in essence, if you were in business all of last year, you should have 12 different folders, right? One for each month, 12 different envelopes, one for each month, right? Or however many months you have. If some of your documents are digital, no problem. What you can do is set up a file folder within your email account where you can compile all of your digital documents the exact same way by month, okay? Also, you can also use Google Drive where you can set up monthly folders that way. And another great resource I really, really like is Evernote. You can use Evernote. And here's the cool thing: if you want to go totally digital, Evernote has this app that's attached to it called Scannable. And so you can actually scan your physical documents and receipts and scan them and then save them directly to the particular Evernote folder that you want to save them in. So how cool is that? The second thing I want to cover is mileage. If you're in business and you travel for business, you're driving to see clients and all that great stuff, and you need to track mileage, for sure you can do it the old way. Go to your local office supply store up the street, get the little booklet that they have where you can track mileage if you like manual. But if you like to go digital, right, everyone pretty much has a smartphone. And so there's an app that you can use called Mileage IQ. Over on the blog, I give you the link to that, and I'll try to remember to put it down in the notes for you of this video. But Mileage IQ is a phone app. And so what happens with Mileage IQ and your GPS on your phone, it will actually remember certain locations for you. Of course, you got to do some setup, right? But it'll remember locations. So, for example, if you have the same client that you go to all the time, once you put that information in, that location, every time you go there after, they'll remember to log that trip. So how cool is that? Automation at work for you. The third thing I want to share with you is accounting software. Oh my gosh. Please get into an accounting system if you have not already. If you've been in business for a while, you should already be in an accounting system. There are multiples out there. You have QuickBooks, which is my weapon of choice. You can, use QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. If you're construction and you have a lot of moving pieces, your job costing, you have a lot going on, a desktop version may work better for you, right? If you're online, and you have a small business, maybe you don't have all the moving bells and whistles pieces going on in your business, an online version of QuickBooks may work well for you. And then there's others out there for my entrepreneur people, that's coaches, trainers, things like that, freelancers, just depending on what you're doing, as well as a QuickBooks online version. You have FreshBooks, you have Xerox, and construction, you can use Xerox too. So FreshBooks, Xerox, what's the other one? Wave. A lot of coaches like Wave because it's free. Not all the bells and whistles are the other ones, but it works. Okay, so get into an accounting system. You want to make sure that you're tracking all of your financial information. And, you know, your accounting system will do some important stuff for you. It will produce the financial statements that you need to give to your tax preparer. So instead of having to take all of those documents and receipts into your tax preparer, you just have to take a few documents to them. So how cool is that? So get into an accounting system sooner rather than later if you have not already. If you are, start inputting that information so that you can get the reports done, because you have to have that information to file your taxes, okay? The fifth thing I want to share with you is get some help or get some training. Here's the thing. If you are not a bookkeeper, or, you know, bookkeeper, accountant, CPA, go up the line, right? If you have not had that type of training, then get some, okay? Here's the thing. Here's the reality. I love like hospital shows like ER. Oh my gosh, love ER. Grey's Anatomy, Chicago Med, right? Love these shows. I've been watching them for years. But I would not dare, just because I've watched these shows all these years, say, oh, hey, I can operate on you, because I've watched it many, many times and I'm sure I can do it. And here's the kicker. If I even came to you with such nonsense, right, you wouldn't even allow me to operate on you, because you were like, you don't have the proper training. So your bookkeeping, your financial piece of your business is no different. If you have not had any formal training, get some. Because I can guarantee you 9 times out of 10, you're probably forgetting something. You could be not tracking all the information you should be tracking. You could be not job costing. Oh my gosh. If you're not job costing, then you should be doing that. That is a game changer. 1, to your profit bottom line. 2, to your tax bill. You could be making mistakes with tax deductions that you could be getting. Again, reducing your tax bill. You could be making posting errors. I can go on and on. All of this stuff affects your bottom line, meaning how much money you get to keep and how much money is actually going out to, for us in the U.S., Uncle Sam. So if you have not had any type of formal training, get some, okay? And here's the thing. Like I said, you have options. You can definitely outsource your bookkeeping, or you can do it yourself. If you're going to do it yourself, get some training. Even if you're going to outsource it, there's some, you know, basics that you still need to know. I say that anyone in business needs to know the basics. You need to have a basic understanding of your financial system, the flow, the process of your business. I don't care if you're outsourcing it. You're ultimately responsible, right? So get some training, okay? And here's the thing. You can't change the past, right? We can't look back and say what you did prior year, but we can change the future, and that starts with you doing these things I'm sharing with you, getting some training, getting some support if that's what you need, okay? The other thing is, I wanted to share with you quickly, just in case, hey, you didn't know, I do have my Entrepreneur's Edge Money Bootcamp. That will definitely help you get your books together, set up, right? It shows you how to set up your accounting system, how to post your transactions, how to run your financial reports, how to read the financial reports. It shows you everything you need to be doing around the financial piece of your business. So, definitely go check it out. It's over on my website. Just click on Bootcamp. It'll have all the information there for you. You can definitely join us now. We have a live session going on. So definitely, if you need some help, you need some training, go check it out over at FELICIASTREETER.com, and then just select Money Bootcamp. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you back here next time. Have an awesome rest of your day, and get your books in order and make it a game changer. Bye-bye.